everyone, here's a question on HCF and LCM. I got this question from the comment section. The question is, find the HCF and LCM of 24 and 54. So HCF means highest common factor and LCM means least common multiple. Here we have to find both HCF and LCM of 24 and 54. How to do it? There are multiple ways, like different ways to find out the HCF and LCM. And since they are asking both in one question, so let's use a prime factorization method. You can use any other method since you have not given the question. So here in this question, I am using prime factorization method. So I'll use a ladder method. Using this method, I'll try to find the prime factors of 24 and 54. So once I get the prime factors, it is easy to find the HCF and LCM from the prime factors what we obtain. So prime factorization means you have to express the given numbers, like here 24, in terms of prime factors. So this is ladder method. Here I have to select only prime numbers. So I'll start with 2 because 2 is the even prime number and 24 is an even number, so it is divisible by 2. So it's the smallest prime number 2. So 2 ones are 2. I'm dividing this. So if you don't know how to divide it here itself, you can separately divide the number, like here 24 divided by 2, you can do it. Whatever answer you get in the question, write down this in the next step. So here I am dividing here itself. So 2 we have, for 2 ones are 2 and the next we have 4. So 2 twos are 4. We got 12. 12 is an even number, so it is divisible by 2. So again I'll take 2. 2 6 are 12. I have 6 and 6 is again even number, so it is divisible by 2. So 2 3s are 6. Now 3 is an odd number and it's a prime number. So 3 ones are 3. So once we get 1, we can stop. Same thing we'll do for 54. Now 54 is an even number, so it is divisible by 2. Now we have 5 here. 5 is not divisible by 2. So 2 2s are 4. I'll get 1 as a remainder. I'll write this along with 4. That makes number 14. And 2 7s are 14. So this is how I'm doing. If you don't know how to do this, if you are doubtful, you can divide 54 separately by 2 and the answer you get in the question, which will be 27, you can write here in the next step. Next we have 27, which is an odd number, which means we cannot take 2. We'll look for the next prime number, which is 3. Now 27 is divisible by 3. So we'll write 3. 3 9s are 27. Now we have 9, again it is divisible by 3. So 3 3s are 9 and 3 1s are 3. So once we get 1, we can stop. Now let's rewrite them. So how can we write 24 and 54? So 24 is equals to, we have to write all these prime factors we got. So it is equals to 2 times 2 times 2 times 3. Similarly, 54 is equals to, express 54 in terms of this prime factors we obtain. It is 2 times 3 times 3 times 3. Now using this, we have to find the HCF and LCM. When we find HCF, we have to select the prime factors which are present in both. For example, here in this case we have 2 which is present, right, which is present in both. Now here I have a 2, but I don't have a 2 here, so I cannot pair up. They should form a pair. And again I have a 2 here, but I don't have 2 here. I have 3 here, I have 3 here, so I can take this 3. So I have to take the one which are present in both. So this 3 and this 3. So HCF will be equals to 2 times 3. That's it. So from each pair, or the one which is present in common, we have to take them only once. So from here I'll take 1 2 and from this pair I'll take 1 3. Now multiply them. 2 times 3 is 6. So HCF of 24 and 54 is 6. Let's see how to find the LCM. So LCM also we can find from this. Now the difference between LCM and HCF is, when you find the least common multiple, that is LCM, you have to consider the prime factor which is common only once. For example, In this case 2 is present in both, right? So we will take this only once, we'll consider this 2 as 1, only one single 2, that's it. So this will be 2 times, and here this 3 is common, right? We'll consider this 3 only one time, that is we write only one 3, not two 3's. And the remaining one, that is here we have two 2's and here we have a two 3's, they are not paired up, which means they are not, there is no common factor in both. This will write them again, that is this 2 I'll write again, 2 times 2, and here which are left single will multiply. So in LCM what you do, you will take the common factor only once, and the one which are not common you will multiply along with it. Now we have to multiply. So let's multiply. So 2 times 3 is 6, 2 times 2 is 4. I am multiplying in this way, but you can multiply however you want. And then 3 times 3 is 9. Now 6 times 4 is 24, and 24 times 9 is 216. So this means the LCM of 24 and 54 is 216. So this is how we can find the HCF and LCM using prime factorization. There are many other ways, like only using HCF we can also find the LCM by using a formula, but here they have not mentioned anything in the question, so I am using prime factorization to find the HCF and LCM. I hope this question is clear. If you have further question or doubt, you can drop a comment. Thank you so much for watching.